Welcome to another watercolor painting, and today I'll be using the gouache medium on a regular Bible page. No prep work done, just straight from the tin to the Bible sheet. I just wanted to see what the texture would look like and if there would be any flaking or anything of the sort by using the gouache straight from the tin. But no, it has not. I just had to be very careful in applying the water paint, not to make sure it's not too wet because it will soak straight through the sheet. Also, I had to give it enough time to dry or else it would be ruined. So I wanted to do that as well and see what the drying method would be. So I left it. I did not use any heat gun on it, and it came out pretty awesome. I also wanted to go ahead and do another project, making a bookmarker with the gouache. This is on hot press paper, where I just cut a piece and made it into a bookmarker size, and wanted to go ahead and apply the gouache to the paper in like watercolor texture to see, just try it in as a sample, a bit more like a wet on wet technique, and applying some vibrant orange and so forth to it to see how it actually would dry and how quickly it would dry. So it's more of an experiment, but I did just make it into a project instead. So I do enjoy the gouache medium. It acts for me just like water paint, but it's a little bit more vibrant as opposed to water paint where you have to apply 3-4 layers in order to get it to be extremely bright, like to have nice bright pigments. Gouache straight from the tin does have that. You just have to remember you need patience. You have to make it dry and then layer in order not to have lots of bleeding in. I did use a heat gun to dry this project as it took a little bit too long. However, when you are using the heat gun, you want to be very careful that you don't hold it close to the project because it kind of contorts it, makes it bend a bit. And also, don't use it on plastic. Like my sheet below is plastic covered and it kind of cinched it. So be careful. Even though you have it at a distance, the heat gun is pretty hot. I'm here trying out some just textures, making a flower pot on this piece and see how it actually looks. So it's more of an experiment just to see what the outcome would be of using the gouache in just as a little project on this bookmarker thing, and see how it actually dries and work on hot press or cold press paper. Alrighty, so I do hope you enjoy the rest of this, and remember to stay tuned for more videos from art and devotion. And also remember that you are loved, and stay in the word as you will be encouraged and strengthened.